Dear students, in this video I am going to discuss about indicators of poverty. First of all, let's have a look at meaning of indicators. The level of poverty and their components are called its indicators. In our country, there are various factors which are showing poverty, and these are known to be the indicators of poverty. By this, we may know about the nature and measurement of poverty. Very first indicator is low per capita household consumption expenditure. First of all, per capita household consumption expenditure is the amount of income a family spends on an average on consumption of goods and services. That means it is such an amount of income which is being spent by a family behind the consumption of goods and services, and that too durable goods like car, washing machine, computers and so on. So here the nation's total spending on durable goods is divided by the total population, and after this it is calculated. The per capita household consumption expenditure for developing countries is much lower than that of developed countries, and therefore in this sense developing countries are said to be poor. Say for example, on the basis of the base year price of year 2005 in the year 2014, the per capita household consumption expenditure for India was $725, which was much less than US and UK. Next one is malnutrition. First of all, what is malnutrition? Malnutrition is such a situation in which the food taken by individual lacks calories, proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. In India, there is an increase in agricultural production, but because of low per capita income as well as unequal distribution of income, people with low income are not able to get nutritive food. In India, according to FAO report of 2015, the situation of food security is there, and India ranked second in the world in measurement of malnourishment, which again indicates poverty in India. Next one is life expectancy and infant mortality rate. We have already seen that life expectancy means that how long a newborn baby is expected to live on an average. Life expectancy depends upon various factors like nutritive food, cleanliness, pure drinking water, as well as health services. Because people are deprived of such facilities, there are poor people who are deprived of such facilities, and therefore they have low life expectancy. Also, infant mortality rate, which means the number of death taking place per 1,000 children born before reaching the age of 1 year. This also again depends upon various factors like health services first of all, and also mother's education, vaccination among children, as well as nutrition in the food. This is again an indicator of poverty in respect to poor health services. Now, when we talk about life expectancy and infant mortality rate, so we may say that in Norway, where life expectancy is 81.6 years, whereas in India it is 68 years, which is very less. But even in countries like Sri Lanka and China, where life expectancy is 74.9 years and 75.8 years respectively, so here life expectancy in India is even less than developing countries like China and Sri Lanka. In case of child mortality rate in India, the rate is 39, which is again very high. Now next one, that is medical facilities. In health sector, doctors, nurse, compounders, etc. are included, and their scarcity may adversely affect the health services. In India, as compared to other countries, there is lack of medical services as well as doctors. And so we may say that poverty is more. In developing countries, for every 6,000 population, one doctor is available, whereas among developed economies, for every 350 persons, service of one doctor is available. In developing countries, every year 1.7 crore people die from diseases like diarrhea, malaria, and TB. And in the whole world, 2.3 crore people are suffering from AIDS. Out of this, 90% belongs to the developing economies. Thank you, students.